The case what they handle on top of backyard this morning. Now the case of 123 years old girl. When it be say when she be 13 years old, she dey waka, she dey every time when she dream, she dey see herself for inside graveyard. Every time when she dream, she dey see herself for inside graveyard. Now, then at the age of 17, somebody can't rape her.
Yeah.
At the age of 17, somebody can't rape her. Now, the person will rape her at the age of 17. Leave and come out. They can't they talk say the parents of the boy will rape her. Can't talk say make the boy go swear. Say not be him give the 17 years old girl Belle. So the boy can't go can't swear can't talk say not be him give the girl Belle. Yeah. As he talks say not be him give the girl Belle. 2 days later that boy can't die for accident.
Yeah.
Now the pikin where the girl can't born. The pikin wey he born come dey deaf and dumb. Now after that boy die, the parents of the boy now come dey vex for the girl. Yeah. Say na the girl kill their pikin. Yeah. Come talk say in fact say wetin go happen na say no man go ever look the girl eye again. And since that time, anytime wey the girl sleep, dog they sleep with her. Dog they sleep with her for inside dream. Hello my sister, how you doing?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How old you dey now?
I'm 23.
Now this person when rape you like this, where the person come from? Where the person dey?
He's from Abia State. Is it Oluodumba?
You, where you from?
I'm from Akwa Ibom.
Now when the person the pikin where you born, it dey with you, I be dey with the person.
They took it away from me when I lost my man.
Oh, yeah. So the pikin now go dey like 5 years now.
It's 6 years now.
Wow. And you so since when you see the pikin last?
I went there last year, but they don't give me access to it.
To him, is he a boy or a girl?
A boy.
Not be it. Say they don't give you access to him. Yeah.
Okay.
If they call him it, it go be like person we're not there alive.
Okay.
Now, so waiting. The main thing we want Moko handle for you now, not before the pikin, now just for this spiritual thing, Abi.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And sometimes, if I fall, maybe I will just stay like that. I will start having headache. I will sleep. Before then, sir, I will start having dream that I'm passing in a graveyard. The people I don't even know. Wow. Sometimes I will see myself sitting by the graveyard crying. So I don't even know what to do. And if I wake up, I normally have so many issues. Like today, like yesterday, I had the dream. And when I woke up this morning, because the first place I paid for it, RNG, so the man came and said we should move out. So the new place now that I'm managing, ever since I had the dream yesterday, the guy just woke up this morning and said he wants to refund my money that I should go out.
So anytime where that dream happens, something bad will happen to you.
Yes, sir.
For how long now? Since now you see now, how long this thing don't they happen to you?
This is almost like 10 years.
Oh, what? Wait, wait. Hold on. 10 years. Let me say it starts when you be 10 years old. Because if not 13 years old.
I'm 23 now. It started when I was 13 years.
So it not be 10 years now. 5 years ago, now the thing they happen now. If you start when you be 18 years, minus.
I started 13 years.
Oh, 13 years when you be 13 years.
Yes, sir.
So now wait, is you? I think say now the man. When you begin sleep with this man.
I was 17 years when he raped
you.
This passing of a graveyard started when I was 10 years. 13 years, sorry.
Okay, now the passing of graveyard now starts when you be 13 years.
Yes, sir.
Your parents, uncle, where then they?
My mom is late.
Your papa, uncle?
Is late.
You not get family members?
They are not concerned about it. Anytime I bring out the topic, they will be like, it's none of their problem.
Wow.
Wait, okay, I want to ask her once then. Who you deal with? Who they live with?
No, she they live with
that
her.
That time when this man rape you, so
they apart from before we come to the time where the man rape her. Now this time when they pass graveyard, your parents still they alive that time.
Yes, my mom was alive, and when she took me to counseling, so they told her that it's someone in my village that wants to kill me because among all my siblings, I'm the only one that is supportive to my mom then. So they want to take me away from them so that the blight of the family will go away. So they gave her one anointing oil. They prayed on it. They asked us to fast for 3 days, which we did. So the oil was much then, and the oil is finished. So since the oil finished, that was last 4 years. The thing started coming back again.
Okay, the oil, and so when they give you the oil, the thing being stopped, abi?
Yes.
You don't go any church since that time for deliverance or anything. You don't go any church.
I went to church. So the man of God were like, that is not is a malaria dream, that I should just go and pray.
Dream.
But man of God tell you it's a malaria dream.
Yes.
Whose church be that? For Lagos here?
It's in Port Harcourt.
Okay, what of for Lagos here? You don't attend any church. Go tell them what you they go through for Lagos here.
No, I've not.
Okay. What we go do now? Say we go open phone line. Just they listen. Any advice when it be say person if you advise you on how to follow this matter, and anybody we know how to either a deliverance or a spiritual something. But that dog own. For how long that dog own don't they go for?
This is about 5 years, going to 6 now.
And that dog owner after that man been rape you where you born, now he starts.
Yes, after he raped me, and the parents called him that he should swear if he's not responsible. So he did not want to swear. The parent now said if you don't swear that they won't further him in school. So he had to swear that he's not responsible. So he 2 days later he now died in motor accident. There were 5 inside the motor. He was the only person that died. So when he died, the parent now said I'm the one that killed him. That they will not allow me to move into any house. So since then I've been having that dream.
Pro Max.
This one off. Gotta tell you.
So which means now the parents they do you this thing of the dog?
I don't even know. I'm just confused.
Kai.
Oh wow.
Now then force that boy to swear. So
now then force the boy to swear. So now the swear where the boy swear, now the repercussion now kill him. Hey!
They carry the transfer the aggression on this poor
girl. So they can't keep the boy now. Wait, now when they collect the boy, now when you born him, I been when their son die.
It's when I lost my mom. They were not taking care of it. Even when the boy died, because I did not live to see the baby. Wait.
When the boy swear now just after he rape you, Abi?
Yes, it was like after 2 months that my mom now find out, because my mom did not give us the access to make her our friend. We can't tell our mom what is happening to us.
So after, make I understand. After the boy rape you,
Yes,
you can't carry Belle and you not fit tell your mama. Your mama see you when your mother don't die that time. Now after the boy rape,
she was still alive then.
okay. Now and your mama see you when you carry Belle. She knows say you carry Belle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and she see you born.
Yes.
Okay. Now which time for the period where you carry Belle the boy can't swear say he not rape you?
That was April 2015. So during is it May? So he now saw that he's not responsible. That was 16 May. So on 18, he now had an accident and died.
So he rape you on April, can't die we can't swear for May, can't die 2 days after.
Yes.
That is this is
I never see this kind of matter before.
This is on fast forward and
okay. My dear, I know what's going to happen. We'll go open phone line. Moku they hear advice from people. If we need to come back to you for questions, we'll go still ask you questions. Now, your boy, your picking way day with the parent. Now, since all this thing happened, you don't ever go meet the parents of the boy. to do anything, to beg or anything?
When I got to the child, since they did not take any responsibility when I was pregnant and when I gave birth, so my mom did not give them access to the baby because she was angry. So when my mom died, they now came and take the child. I went to them. They took it and take it to their village. So I went to the grandfather and now said, why will you take the baby to the village? At least you should have been around so that I will see him. He now said, not after I killed their son, that they are going to make sure I pay for everything. So I now said, I wasn't responsible. So when they came back 2 years later, I have to go to mom. I begged her. I said, I know to lose a child is painful. And I said to my mom, but give me access to the baby. So they now said they are not going to. Even last year when I went there, me and the second daughter fought because of the issue. I went there, the boy came back from school and he was holding his stomach. So he was saying he's hungry. So I now bought food for him. The second daughter now called him, who buy you food? He now said his mommy. He now said, how do you know it's your mom? So the boy said it's my mommy because people have been telling the boy everything. That's why that he can't talk and he can't hear, but they are telling him through demonstration.
Yes.
So the boy.
Oh, the boy.
Wait.
The boy not they talk, he not they hear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Man.
Nah, this matter.
How many rapper
this matter time? You talk say the mama, since when the mama tell you say now you kill their pikin, say man not go see you again. Now since that time now you begin.
They see dog.
They sleep with you for dream, abi?
Yes.
So which means now the mama of your pikin papa now they involved, now they responsible for that one now.
Even I gave birth when the pregnancy was 11 months and 2 weeks. Based on what the grandfather said, when the son died, he said I should come have the affair with him. So I refused. I now told my mom. So he now said, since I told my mom about it, let him see how.
Calm down.
Hey, my sister, wait. I don't understand.
I tell you, come again.
After the boy will give you Belle die.
Yes.
The grandpapa call say me you can't sleep with him and you get Belle that time.
Yes.
Wait.
So I refused.
After, as you can't refuse, say you not go sleep with him. Now you come born at 11 months instead of 9 months.
Yes.
Hey!
He said let him see how I put to bed if I will vomit it. So when the pregnancy was 10 months, I already told my mom everything. I now reminded my mom what the man said, that we should confront this man. So we have to tell the church. The church now called him to order. And now said that he was drunk that day. That's why he said the thing. So 3 days later, I now put to bed.
Everybody in the family not get you.
Anyway, you see those two numbers where I don't send you? Follow those two numbers, yeah? Call those two numbers and then hopefully help will come, okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much, my dear. Yeah. If you one question we want to ask is when all these things they happen, you don't, you they go church normally on a norm, you they go church?
Yes, I'm attending MFM recently, but in Port Harcourt I was in the Apostolic Church.
Okay.
I joined choir, so sometimes they have 3 days dry fasting for prayer ban, and I join also. So if during that period, I used to be praying.
Okay.
So one certain time, prophecy came to me that I should be very strong, that they want to limit me so that my siblings will suffer. Because before my mom died that day, she said that I should look after my siblings very well. That she would try her possible best to also protect me.
Okay, now this MFM where you go now.
Yes,
you
sir.
don't tell any of the pastors, say okay, see what you they go through, You don't mention them to any of the pastors so that maybe they go conduct some kind of deliverance and all those things.
No, I told one pastor that I normally have dream that sometimes I will pass in graveyard. So he was saying that is a marine problem, that I have a marine spirit problem.
No. Wait. Now the one where tell you say na malaria, I been a marine in talk.
Marine. The one that told me is malaria is in Port Harcourt. So the one that told me is Marine is in Lagos here at Golden Gate. So I told him no. They normally pass at graveyard. So he said okay that I should come for their prayer deliverance.
The one way dog they sleep with you, uncle. You don't tell anybody about the dog sleeping with you.
I told my elder sister and I told some of my uncle. So they didn't say anything.
You don't tell now this church where you they go, you don't tell any of the pastors say dog they sleep with you for dream.
No.
So why?
Why?
Why you never tell?
Why you never tell them about the dog issue when we say that one gone?
Because you know as you take talk, you say the mama of your pikin papa talk say no man go fit near you again. And no man go fit keep you. Now that one might be the major problem for you right now. So
since then, any relationship I entered, it's either the guy will just say he doesn't have interest again after 1 year or 1 year or 6 months. That you always see me attacking him in his dream. You always see me bathing inside the water in his dream. That he doesn't like me. So I'm just confused.
That spirit of abortion.
Now,
they abort her
my
dreams.
girlfriend said I should follow her to Zion Prayer Ministry on Sunday this week.
Oh, say wait. You say one of your friends say waiting.
I should follow her to Zion Prayer Ministry on Sunday this week. So I asked her the location. She says it's at First Start. I mean, I don't know First Start.
Okay. You don't go any spiritual place. Go tell them say see what be your issue.
I don't even know any spiritual place.
Okay. You get some numbers where I go text you or why I text you. You see am abi? Yeah.
I'll check.
Now you go check them. You go check them. I go text you. You go check them. Make you call them later. Talk to us. Advises our sister. Diplomatic. Ngwa talk to us.
Okay, Papa. You not get any of sister or brother?
My brother, I don't even know what I want. You see, I don't even know what I want. They just advise and what you go feed do one name.
Because since then, when that thing happened to them, you're supposed to find one church they attend now. At least, they complain to any of the pastor or whoever or ask people, all those churches where they just strong. You understand me? And it's supposed to attend church, and this one she know that attend church, yeah, so making only advice where they give her, let her find one church, attend, because this matter, matter too.
Thank you very much.
Honestly.
Hello, who's on the phone line?
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. This lady in question, she not talk say she know they go church.
Yes.
Talk say she never go church for the problem, like for the issues where they go through. You understand? Now she talk. I they follow now. And number 2, she need to go do something like spiritual things for her body, for her head. Because normally she get called. She's very great. But she's destined to be great. Yes. And the evil ones now one use this thing now which they go to take useless life.
So what makes you do?
Yes, now to follow am spiritually, not in the church way.
Okay.
My mom get church, but me I know they tell person say, see, I tell you, this one is spiritual something, water something. You understand? If na back to sender, then if she go ask questions, if na something maybe say they do her, then you do am back to sender. Back to sender will be a boom boom when I know the back to sender.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Because if you check from her tone, you go know say this person, like say she don't did there before too.
From this person?
Yes.
Say the same thing don't happen to her before.
She don't come from something like this. For her to just go straight say, man, call.
Hello, who's on the phone line? Talk to us. Hello, who's on the phone line? Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Who they talk? Talk to us when they hear you.
When the mother is her to church,
yes.
say the thing stop.
Yes, then give her one or the thing will stop that time. Now the
Prayers and all you waste.
Yes, then they can go church because of the graveyard where she
The
did.
graveyard, something
Now the
else
graveyard,
from
not
the
be the dog own.
Okay, that one continue.
Now the
She said when she give that boy food, that the boy tell them is her mother, is her mom. But I was surprised that she said that the child did not used to talk.
sign language there now.
Okay, just sign language. People say her parents was annoyed. They not allowed the other parents.
Advise her what she go do. Advise her what she go do.
Okay, my advice is that there is a day you're announcing about one pastor in this place. You give number that day. You pay people. Let her go there first.
Okay.
Then from there, they will take it off.
All right now, no wala. Thank you very much. Hello, who there? I bet off on top WhatsApp or good morning Oganeduro. My advice, hello. My advice for the girl is for her to go for deliverance because the powers of her father's house are after her life. Christiana from Ojo Barracks. This one contact say, I will advise her to go to MFM Church and go for deliverance. Bedu from Agboju. Oganedu, my advice for the girl, okay, this one already. Let her do fasting and prayer. With God, all things are possible. You know, say, I want to talk something. Fasting and prayer, beautiful. Make she go this church, beautiful. Make she go here, beautiful.
Yeah.
If you never spend 1,000 naira to take for buy airtime for your phone before, you go see person will spend 20,000 take buy airtime and say na mumu ibi. What are they try talk? You never did the position before. So you not go really understand. You're not go really understand. But from your own understanding, think and well. If not you, waiting you go do.
Exactly.
So that the person go try. It could maybe say that the one we advise now go enter.
Now go for you enter.
Good morning, Robust Man and Madam T. This girl should look for a very strong church. Emphasis on very strong church of man of God for serious deliverance. She should not take this case with levity because she's a great lady and they have seen the star. Now the same thing this lady they talk and the one we say she not go church. That lady get know something.
I tell you she knows something.
Good morning, Oganedu. No, not everybody spiritual things work for.
Yeah.
You see, there are different between having faith that is holy, that is holy God, that is holy God that hey.
They need a reach short hand for you now.
No, see, I'm not
leave him, man. Leave him
no,
now.
listen, having faith that is holy God that can do. Okay, maybe only God
only
that can.
God,
Okay,
yeah.
now only one right. Emma, back only holy le ko bi bayi. Mo mo se bayi. Se fe pa mi ni. Typo leleyi o. Eleyi ju typo lo o. Eleyi ju typo lo o.
Continue it so that you
having faith that or having faith that is only God that can do things and just praying because they ask you to do so. I strongly believe that if she have faith in praying for herself, she will overcome everything because all women have hidden power in their tongues except the one that does not know. This person has a point.
I did tell you now.
This person gets heavy point. Waiting they try talk now say everybody gets power. Every human being get power. God don't put them inside everybody.
Yeah.
Now make I talk this thing. Inside some people they argue whether God na devil at the same time, and some people go tell you say God na be devil at the same time. Some go tell you say God na good and God himself na good and bad him be. God where you decide where say all holy God. No, God is holy, but God also get good and bad. Now God go tell you say I am both light and darkness. I am both good and bad. I bring good and I bring destruction at the same time. So you inside every human being now that bringing bad and bringing good they inside because now who God be. If you give the God part of you power, then good go happen more. If you give the devil part of you power, then bad go happen more. Where they go now say God create you in own image. Who you be now who God be. So if God fit talk say let there be, you self can say let there be and believe in it. So what I try to talk to her say this girl, our sister Vivian now fit talk say but the only thing I say she not get the faith, she not get the power enough
The base not there.
The base not there. So she not feel help herself. She not feel help herself. Adibi, they don't build her faith. They come say you can do this yourself. You can do this yourself. You can use your tongue and cancel everything. She for feed do am.
Yeah, what they call the latent or inherent stuff in the day in every man.
In everybody.
So now you go trigger them.
Now you go trigger them. Now you go.
Maybe that base when they talk. So if you not trigger them, that base not go there. So you not get any structure when you go lay on that place.
Yes. Like Labour Party where they say not get structure. You not get structure to take.
I'm not saying that one. Waiting that they talk for you. I'm gonna do that. I'm not saying that one. We're not talking.
Anyway, good morning again. They do a call. If I'm not mistaken, I thought I heard the girl say it was since the man raped her and died that the parents of the boy told her she killed the son, that they won't let her enter the man's house, which means the parents of the boy are responsible. Yes, the parents of the boy, they're responsible for the dog dream. Now them they're responsible as far as I'm concerned.
Of that, but,
yes.
But age 13, she don't see some
13, she don't see some kind things where she they go graveyard.
And
that one already did. That one already did. She get her spiritual problem not start So my advice is that she should go to the Mountain of Fire Deliverance Arena along Ibadan Expressway. And stay there for 1 week. Oh, this one even get time. 1 week. And also serious check in that guy's family. Let them free her. It might be responsible.
Fumigate spiritually.
They should fumigate, do spiritual fumigation in the matter. So I told them they do home, Momo. What did they do home for?
Because I did think, say, are you sure the mother gone? The mother we don't pass away. Not their fault for this thing.
What think the mother
but the mother shielded.
No, the mother they cover her. The mother protected. The mother cover her, make nothing happen to her. The mother cover her.
Now when she die, now those people can't carry the.
Yes. Now when she die.
Don't they see some things before her mother died?
Yes. Now easy. Now when the mama
the oil when mama give her, I let her see all those things.
Yes. Now make her not come they see all those things again. You could the mama can go somewhere. They come pray give her oil. So after the mama can die, 4 years later the oil don't finish. The thing can't come back.
Like say the oil they gone. This guy who on this guy.
Like say the oil they the guy for no. I'm not sure anything can happen to her.
Anointing for.
So now protection will be there over her. Now be the mama will die.
That mother hen.
That mother figure, that protection, not there again. Anyway, all of that when they say they there, that our sister when they say we will handle our case right now. When they say the matter scatter full everywhere, we don't give her the number of one prophetess. Where she go talk to, and also the number of Akwa Ibom people when they say they for Lagos where go fit direct her, the people we know, because the only problem now say she not get guidance, she not get people when they say they help her. She not get people they help her, and you know say one thing where we stand for on top this show for our backyard, now to help everybody where they suffer one thing or the other. If you they suffer, we protect everybody where they suffer one thing or the other. If you they suffer rape, if domestic violence, any injustice or the other, now within this show they about. And I mean, we don't they do this thing for how many years to come now? Years to come now, and we don't do plenty. We don't do plenty. You understand? And we're not gonna stop.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.